Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of eBay. You will go here to settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about eBay and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we click on Play Store. You will search about eBay. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to press the bell icon.